Another form of automation is this template, where you can basically have an extract from iw37n or Prometheus tool GWOS and have that data viewable directly in Excel, or do a raw data dump and then have this file that's linked to it. This is a linked table, and these cells, these columns are inserted, and there's the ones that do the formulas on the data that can create any title that you want based on all the fields through formulas, and the start and end date are based on a case statement, so that all the groupings capable of being done by multiple criteria that's on the case sheet here, but who the owner is of those jobs. So this is the calendar it ends up building, and I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm having the time define the block that you want the data to show up in. In terms of this case, we wanted it to be certain planner to show up in a certain block, whether their jobs are night or day. In this case, they wanted a calendar vertically. You can look at any start time you want. You just change the first cell. They say June 1st, and then everything changes. This needs to be linked to the one above. Add 7. It's a week at a glance.